Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a simple 5-petal flower. For this project, I am using a 3.5mm crochet hook and double strand of cotton yarn. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers and make a magic ring with the help of crochet hook, which is basically a loose slip knot. Now to start your first round, make chain 1, wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring and pull the yarn. Pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make half double crochet 2. Again wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make half double crochet 3. Repeat the same pattern and make half double crochet 4 and complete 15 half double crochet stitches for 5-petal flower. Now pull this starting yarn tail to form a ring and then go into the first half double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch to finish your first round. Now for the second round, make chain 1, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. Then make chain 3 and skip 2 half double crochet stitches. Into the third one, make a single crochet stitch. So this is our first space for petal. Then again make chain 3, skip 2 stitches. Into the third one, make a single crochet stitch. Again make chain 3, skip 2 stitches. Into the third one, make a single crochet. Repeat the pattern till the end. If you want to make a 6-petal flower, you need to have 18 half double crochet stitches. You can even use a single strand of yarn. So now after completing, go into the first single crochet stitch by making the last chain 3 and then make a slip stitch to finish your second round. Now we are going to make our petals into these chain 3 spaces. So wrap the yarn, go into the first chain 3 space, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn again, go into the same chain 3 space and pull the yarn. Now pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Again pull the yarn through first 2 loops and pull the yarn through second 2 loops to make double crochet 2. Repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and double crochet 5. After making 5 double crochet stitches, make 1 half double crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through all 3 loops. In the end, 1 half double crochet, 5 double crochet and 1 half double crochet, total of 7 stitches into this chain 3 space. Then go into the next single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Now repeat the same pattern for the second petal. Start with half double crochet stitch and then make 5 double crochet stitches by pulling the yarn through first 2 loops and then pulling the yarn through second 2 loops. So this is our double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and after completing 5 double crochet stitches, in the end make 1 half double crochet and then make a slip stitch into the next single crochet stitch. So this is super simple and easy flower. Repeat the same pattern for the next 3 petals. After completing all the petals, go into the same single crochet stitch again, our first single crochet, and pull the yarn and cut the extra yarn. You can pull a long yarn tail if you want to use this yarn to weave your flower to your bags, sweaters, or any project. So to weave this flower with the help of needle, first of all take your yarn to the back side, and after taking it to the back side, first of all make a knot here to secure your work, and then you can weave your extra yarn to some backside stitches. So into this petal you can weave your yarn and then you can cut your extra yarn. Remember to weave your starting yarn by making a knot as well to secure your work, and then you can cut your starting yarn tail. So this is how you can make a simple 5 petal flower. I hope you guys like this. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.